they will get stretching over legs and splits. So stay with me and we'll get that. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After you must change leg, take over here and stretching over shoulders. 1, 2, 4, and last one 5 will get fixed. So take work, come back over leg, take slowly on over knee. And now we will get to leg and back. 2, back. 3, back. We'll try push-ups for overload. 1, 2, and last one 5. Slowly go on elbow and try stretch more for our legs. So 1, 5, amazing one. After that, slowly try push-ups and take back. 4, 5, good work. And try taking this side. So 4, 5, and try taking this speed. Take back legs. After that, slowly taking this side. And starting working with the back leg. 3, 4, and 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, we will try to take this side and take 2 legs together. Take over. Hands on the back. Slowly go down. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Subscribe.